Design 1 and design 2 are very good, same. But here I'm saying add, here I'm saying add to cart. We should always give context. This context makes the emphasis more stronger for the user. Add to cart. This button also makes me think that yes, I can directly buy this product. I am directly going for the cart and then payments and done. Here it's not bad, but this is the best. I'll read it for you. Overlapping images adds focus and depth to an interface. Overlapping images. It's also a great way to optimize space usage. But I want my eyes to focus on one thing at a time. One thing at a time. So I'll make an image first, a little bigger than this. And user will see, oh, image. And he's seeing a face. He'll start recalling. First he recalled the image. Then he'll read the name. Okay. This person's name is Meera Thakur. Oh wow, he stays in New York City. Okay, I like this man, I like this female. Let's follow. This is how our brain works. We all know that a million of thoughts comes throughout the day. And thoughts. And these are the thoughts which help you to follow this. This is an artwork which is happening. If I keep the both text links same, it might end up that the user will not perform any action. But the main purpose of every product in the website is to earn money out of it, to earn their business, to grow their business. So definitely we'll highlight our apply now button. My purpose to do this presentation is to make you understand that this is the reason, this is the research behind doing this. And definitely it will help you to correct your own product if it's not there. Or when you are designing your own product, you will keep these certain small points in memory. Plain text, boring. So this was initially how Google started, and this is then they keep it, it's still there. But more attractive to that is images. So if you use Microsoft Teams or whatever product, and nowadays each product gives us an option to upload our own personalized profile picture. So this gives, when we see our own picture, we feel good, one. Second, it looks very good and attractive in visualization. And third, whosoever looks at these images will be able to connect with us in more detail. So that is why people who don't upload their images, their first names come by default. So this is the best thing, use of icons versus imagery. It's saying it's a good idea, but the best is this. And I told you why it is best, right? A long time back, lines were there, but recently it's an AB coloring. You can say effective use of contrast. A light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. So line is a kind of distraction for the eyes. It's like the end. So we keep on using this alternative colors so that he can read each line without a distraction. Design number 17. Okay, this is amazing. I saw this specific design in Medium app. So what does that saying? If you're reading some article, it could be possible that you might get bored. Simultaneously, if you're listening to me right now, you might feel, though I'm not making you bored, it's very informative videos. I'm sure you are loving it. If not, you still make sure you love it, okay? This is the progress bar. This progress bar keeps us in mind, oh yes, we have achieved so much and little is left. Let's do it. So this is a great idea to motivate your users who are watching your content. Similar example in design number 18 is of the Medium application. You should avoid bright background colors, right? This is like, no one will read. I can't read what is written, so you definitely can't read from this screenshot as well. So what happens in this is, we use a contrast designs. If you use a Medium application, they give you a readability option, readability for black and white. So black for night vision, and similarly the Kindle apps also have the similar text colors because it's soothing and relaxing to eyes, and you can read at night also. So we all know that the textual things, if you have a blog or something, it's recommended to use such, you should give options to the user so that they can switch between these two colors. You are expecting your user should click on only run, but you are giving him a checklist. It looks foolish. There are websites which make such mistakes. The user wants single product to be selected, but due to wrong information, we might end up confusing our customers also. We must make sure that we display the right options for the users so that a right information can be extracted by the product team and a valuable information can be produced to the customer which is using this. So design is saying this is a very maroon, red and yellow combination, this whole image, text also, but over here what you are using a gray color. So it's always recommended to use the same color tint, a kind of contrast of what we are already using. So designers know it well, but as a product manager, if you're looking at the website or creating your website or an app or whatever, you make sure that your designing team also keep this in mind. It don't look good. Might be for a user it doesn't make a sense. It's like, okay, but whatever. But originally this looks good. It's a very soothing effect for the eyes and it's more attractive. Recently what it was recommended is to use an offset shadow with a light source. Here is complete black if you look very closely, and here is little white. White and black, but majority of the part is white, which look little more embossed, clear, clean and more spacious on the product as well. This also helps for a user to see this product more visibly, more clearly, because white brings space, black contrasts the space. So this is a good idea. This guy used a lot of icons, but the confusing part over here is what he did is he used so many colors in the home page itself. So what happens, let's say I'm on a mobile application or on a website where if all the colors would be in highlight, I might get confused on which page I am currently. So in this part what happens, the design tool is saying if a user is on a wallet page, highlight it and make the rest three lighter in a darker shade. When I'm on a single page, make sure that that single page is highlighted. And it is very common. See, all these designs, if you want to see in practical, you can go on all the big websites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Always think that your customer is a fool and he don't know anything. This is cool, right? Your city, pin code, good, understood. And an educated guy, I understand I have to select a city, I have to write a pin code. Tell him, oh, select a city. Oh, acha, oh, I have to select a city. Now if you're giving him a pin code, give him an idea that what exactly a pin code is. Maybe he's an educated guy, but there's a different language of pin code in his country or in city. So he might not be aware of it. You just give an idea. Oh, this is a pin code. Yes, I have seen this on the postal paper. So he'll get an idea, he'll recall and he'll be able to put it without taking help. Email ID @ is the best thing to understand. Oh, this is the email ID. This is what I have to put in. A lot of time if you give them the examples in a light gray, they might not even read what is there on the highlighted part. They'll just directly go on it and type the information and the submit button will automatically get highlighted in this case. Okay, this is again a very cool and attractive feature that we could use. Select a game, 4 options. Select a game with images. See, when you are developing a MVP, right, minimum viable product, that is you are designing your phase 1, sprint 1, whatever you are doing. In that case, this is the best option. Like select a game, give him up, because this is a sprint 1, we're just developing a product. But as we advance our product, we move to the higher stages of the product development, it is always recommended to use the small images, spacious stuff, so that people, instead of using this radio button, they can go directly and click on this image. It's the same thing, old guy journey. The moment old guy, oh yeah, old guy, it's an old guy, yay. Fantastic chef, I show a food. This is a great, attracts a lot, eye focusing, eye catch, compels me to click, to play this game. This looks little boring, but when it comes to gaming, it has to be very exciting. Yes, yeah, I win, right? So this is the great stuff and this is a great idea for the gaming people and for the other websites also. Similarly, if you're talking about the designing and the imaging part, my design number 25 says similar. Again, this is the same information. Again, I'll try, it's not bad, but if you're designing the MVP, or you can say you are just started designing your website, it's not important to bring it more power in it. But gradually when you're improving your product, it's recommended to use colors so that this is for an HR user basically. So user can easily understand and read. Oh yeah, let's say Amit's called up. Hi ma'am, or so what's about my resume? I'm selected. Or she can say, oh sir, hi Amit, we are still in talks with the manager, we in process. Or for them it is very easy to identify, looks very bright, attractive, decent also. Again, make sure if you look at this design carefully, we are using the AB colors, contrast colors also. We are not using lines in this. So we are improving a product.